is the plain background. You get my point. So what you are going to do right here is just go to text. Now click on add text. So just add any text you wish to. You get my point. So I'm gonna just type Mr. Cray 10 update. You get my point. So you can go to font and let's go select chunk 5. So you leave it at that chunk 5. Yes, you can expand it. You get my point. So now click on OK. Let's get back as it is. You can just duplicate this Mr. Cray. You get my point. So let's go to duplicate. So duplicate it, bro. Where is it? Click on duplicate. Now what you're gonna do on this one, double tap on it. Now let's go to style. On style, you click on choose this particular color, or you can select another color, but I choose this particular color. You get my point. And then you leave it right there. Now you click on this first one as it is now. You get my point. Now let's go to animation. Where is animation? Now you click on animation right here. You get my point. Let's go and look for dissolve. So where is dissolve? Alright, so look at dissolve. So you have to increase the seconds. Get my point. So this is how it's gonna be. You get my point. I believe you like what you see. So do what, hit the like button. Alright, so when you are done with that, you can now save the video to your gallery. What you're going to do right now is you click on new project and import a plain black background. You get my point. Alright, so here is the image. You get my point. Like I said, black screen image. So look at it right here. So now what you need to do is you come to the beginning of the, because it's now a video. One thing you need to understand is whenever you bring in an image to Capcut, you get my point, it automatically turns to a video. Understand? So this is just a 3 seconds video. So you go to text, click on text, click on add text. So I'm going to type intro. I'm going to type intro. So look at intro right here. So I'll go to click on font. Let me select elegant. You get my point. I select elegant. So I'm going to expand it. I'm going to make it big a little. You get my point. So as it is, I'll just leave it right here. Now tap on OK. So as you can see, this is the intro. So you click on OK. Now what you need to do right here is you're going to add keyframe. Make sure this is positioned in the center of the screen. You get my point. So you add keyframe at the beginning of this and you go towards the end. You get my point. Then at this point, this is where you are going to zoom. You zoom it. You are focusing on the middle letter right here, which is the T. So you zoom it. Just keep zooming, no matter how it's turning. Make sure you zoom till you cover the screen, just like what you see now. You get my point. So if you want to play, you are going to have something like this. You get my point. So we are going to add graph right here. So you click on graph. Now you go to ease in. So when you click on ease in, you're going to have something like this. You get my point. I believe you understand, because I just want you to understand everything about this intro. So you click on OK, and now you export the video to your gallery. So now before you continue, if you have a video or you have an image to use for this, you can bring it in. But I'm going to bring in a very short video clip. You get my point. So we can use for this. So you don't have to bring in the the one you just downloaded, the one you just exported to your gallery. You need to bring in a fresh video or a fresh picture. You get my point? So let's do that right now. Alright, so I just brought in a video. So what you are going to do right now, this video I reversed a car. You get my point? And if you want to learn how to do this particular effect right here, you can go to the description of this video and then watch the tutorial right there. So the next thing you're going to do here is you go to overlay, click on overlay, click on add overlay, then you bring in the video you already exported to your gallery. You get my point? Alright, so this is the video right here, the intro video we just created. So now what we're gonna do right here is we have to make sure the first video it aligns with this one here. Let everything go together. You get my point? So now we're gonna tap on this second layer, which is the intro video. Now use your hand to make sure you drag it to fit to screen. You can leave it right there. Now you click on splice. When you click on splice, you click on slide. You get my point? So let's play the video and see what is going to happen right here. So you can see what's happening right there. So you can adjust the end right here so it will show from there. Now if you want to spice this, you can tap on this one, you add keyframe at the you tap on the first layer right here, you add keyframe. Now you come towards the end of the first layer, then you try to expand it a bit. You get my point? So let's see what's gonna happen. Look at it there. So it's very nice. If you want to add another spice on it, you can just tap on it, go to graph, then you use cubic in. As you can see, that's very perfect. You get my point? So that is just it, guys. So make sure you like and share this video. Make sure you comment. If you have any issue, let me know. Let me know if I'm able to break it down for your understanding. You get my point? Alright guys, I believe you've learned something today. You get my point? So if you really love video editing and you want to learn how to edit videos, guys, first of all, subscribe to this channel, like this video, then you can DM me on WhatsApp. My number is in the description of this video. You get my point? But take note, please, it's not free. You get my point? So make sure you like and share. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section, and say something. Just say something. Say something.